Hi, I'm Priscilla Freitas. Today I'll share more of a licensing update for Dynamics 365 and Business Applications Spring Release. I'll start first with an overview of Dynamics 365 licensing today. Our licensing includes options for customers with plans, standalone applications, light users, and even solutions such as Microsoft Relationship Sales. With the Spring Release, we're introducing 3 changes to our Dynamics 365 customers. First, we are releasing Dynamics 365 for Marketing application. Second, we are launching a new price point for Dynamics 365 Sales application with the Dynamics 365 for Sales Professional SKU. And last, we are bringing to market Dynamics 365 Business Central, a new cloud-based all-in-one business management solution. In particular, for customer engagement plan customers, the April launch will bring a new benefit, a new entitlement, providing the marketing application for those customers. Now, I'd like to share a brief overview of the coming updates available for Power BI customers in Spring. CDS for Analytics capabilities in Power BI help customers break data silos from different data sources, accelerate insights with out-of-the-box insight solutions, and customize and extend to Azure for even additional intelligence services. Here you can see CDS for Analytics capabilities coming into preview in Q2 of calendar year 2018 for Power BI. It shows capabilities available for Power BI Pro and Power BI Premium. Learn more and sign up for updates at powerbi.microsoft.com. To close today's presentation, I'd like to share the rich resources available to you anytime you need to learn or even refresh your knowledge about Dynamics licensing. Let me walk you through our key licensing resources. First, learn everything about Dynamics licensing, from your onboarding to those who are ready to learn more with the Dynamics 365 licensing deck. Learn more about transition options to customers, either moving to the cloud or to Dynamics 365 with the toolkit. And best, find the exact SKU for your customer order with the SKU cheat sheet Excel tool. Last, still have questions? Join us at our Yama groups. Here you can see we have key resources and much more for Dynamics Update at any time in our internal and partner portals. Thank you again for joining me today.